Hey, Oliver.
What is it, Murphy?
Have you seen much of Stella at all?
Shockingly, no, I have not.
Yeah, I know. That is so weird. She's usually really, really annoying.
She must be up to something weird. Come on, pick up. Hello. Yes, you can come over. Okay, see you then. Let's go. I don't have to deal with Murphy and Oliver anymore, 'cause I have a new friend. Murphy, did you hear that? Stella has a new friend.
Yeah, Oliver, I'm not deaf.
Stella, I'm here.
Oh, who could it be?
Hello, Stella.
Hello there, Ron.
Man, Ron sure is ugly.
Murphy, shut up.
Hey, you, Orange Cat, what did you say about me?
Oh, I said nothing.
Aha, Murphy. That's what you get for mocking my boyfriend.
What? How could Stella get a boyfriend?
Murphy, it's not this hard. We met on Tinder. What? Stella's using Tinder?
Stella, let me come protect you from these things.
Murphy, what are we gonna do about Stella's boyfriend?
Yeah, I know. He's so annoying. He's not gonna be living here.
Stella, are you okay from those imbeciles?
No, they're so annoying.
We gotta find a way to get them out of here.
Yeah, let's think.
Hey, Oliver, I have an idea.
Murphy, what's your idea?
How about we fatten up the boyfriend so Stella will think he's ugly and then he'll pop like a balloon?
Sounds great. Here, I'll go give him some fast food.
Oliver, are you sure you can do it?
Yeah, I'm sure. I can do it.
Okay, then get up there.
Time to go fatten up Stella's boyfriend. Here I come.
What? You're gonna try to fatten me up?
Oh no!
Yeah, take that, you big fat cat.
Nice try, Oliver. Such a loser.
Hey, Stella, I'm gonna take a nap. I just beat up that pipsqueak.
Okay, same here.
Oliver, they're taking a nap. Now is our time to strike.
Okay, Murphy, try it. I'm not doing that again. Oh.
Let's go. I made it in. Time to make her boyfriend fat. Time to make you fat, buddy. There we go.
Hey, Ron, are you? Oh my god.
Oh, what is it?
Ron, you're so fat.
Let me choke. I'm fucked. Oh.
No, my boyfriend's dead.
Stella, that's what you get.